How to remove all tagged photos on Facebook at once. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in this video we will learn how we can remove all tagged photos on Facebook. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, open up Facebook in your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're on your home page, tap on your profile icon at the top left just below the home icon. That's gonna take you to your profile page. So here, just below your profile name, next to edit profile button, tap on three dot icon. You will get to your profile settings. Here you'll have an option as review post in tags. Tap on it. And in this page, you can review all your tags on your post. So if you want to remove the tag, what you can do is you can go back and here tap on activity log. Here scroll down a bit and then now expand this option as your Facebook activity. And again scroll down a bit and there is one more option as activity you are tagged in. There tap on manage tags button. And in this page you will find all the photos and posts that you have been tagged on. There select the tag that you want to remove, or you can simply select all of the tag. And once you have selected them all, navigate to the bottom of this page. There you will find an option or button as remove tags. Tap on it. And with that, you'll be removed from the tagged photos. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.